Okay. So let's do that. First of all, let's get to that point. Okay. Okay, those are the lights. Yes, I know we're low on fuel. Very low on fuel by the looks of it. Let's see if I can remember how to do that, because it's been a long time. Research. Have to start. Is that one of these? 37 miles. Is that 37 miles? Degrees. Okay, so those are the lights I've got currently. Can't quite. There we go. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to start it, and then so it goes clunk, and then oh, that's typical. There was an alarm going off. No, there isn't an alarm. Hang on, I'm going to try that again. Sorry about the road noise, busy road here. So. Okay. There we go. I don't know where that noise